fought a good fight, I've kept the faith. Henceforth for me a crown of righteousness awaits, which the righteous judge shall give to me when he shall appear. So when he comes, he'll find me waiting here. So here I stand, I'm standing on the last mountain before I cross over on the other side. From here I see the new world, the new Jerusalem. Someday soon I'll cross the great divide. Someday soon I'll be on the other side. I've been battle scarred, been through many wars, but they have only made me strong. So I'll keep fighting on. In the midst of all adversity, I've stood victoriously. It is God's grace that gives me victory. So here I stand, I'm standing on the last mountain before I cross over on the other side. From here I see the new world, the new Jerusalem. Someday soon I'll cross the great divide. Someday soon I'll be on the other side. Feeling that strange call of God, I know it's time to leave. Calling to my Father's house, things that ought to be. I see the setting sun and I know I'll find what I'm looking for. From where I stand, I'll walk through the open door to the other side. I'm standing on the last mountain before I cross over on the other side. From here I see the new world, the new Jerusalem. Someday soon I'll cross the great divide. Someday soon I'll be on the other side. Someday soon I'll be on the other side.